Adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, we will be doing chocolate mousse cake. So, we have 3 layers here. May cake and then may dalawang mousses. For today, I will be using All Berries brand. All Berries brand. I have here cocoa powder and Berries dark and white chocolate. Yan. Masarap yan pag yan yung gamit nyo. For the cake, let's start with the cake ingredients. This is all mixed, so no need sa mixer. I have the Berries cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt. I have 1 egg, vegetable oil. If you want to use butter, you can, but mag-mixer na kayo, okay? For the butter, you can use their flatcha butter. And then we have all-purpose flour, granulated white sugar, and the warm water. Let's start. Mix all the dry ingredients and then make a well at the center, add the rest of the ingredients. Ganun kadali. Mix the dry ingredients first. All-purpose flour. Cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt. Make a well at the center. Then may sugar pa pala. Your granulated white sugar. Make a well at the center. Then your vegetable oil. Warm water and your egg. Once the mix na, transfer into your baking pan. I have here 9-inch. Kasi I will be doing 9-inch chocolate mousse cake. Diyan ka muna. Then, bake this one for about 30 minutes. 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Yan. So, while the cake is baking, let's go to the mousse layer. Let's start with the dark chocolate. So, I have here dark chocolate berries and white chocolate berries. By the way, marami recipe ng mousses. Other recipes is yung may mga egg yolks base. For this time, I will be teaching you how to do the easiest mousse. Yung gelatin based siya and all-purpose cream lang tapos si chocolate. So, mas easy gawin. I have here unflavored gelatin, cold water, cream. I'm using Bunge non-dairy whipping cream. If you can find Bunge, you can use Mona Lisa. And then Berries dark and white chocolate. Chop it finely. Yung assistant ko, chinap yung white ng mas maliit kaysa dark. Okay? So, let's start. Let's start with the dark layer. I have here unflavored gelatin. You bloom it with your cold water. Again, mas mabilis ma-bloom si gelatin sa cold water. Yan. Let's bloom the gelatin. Set aside natin mga 5 minutes. And then after bloom siya, we will melt that one later. Tapos mag-boil ka na ng water para ma-melt mo si chocolate. So, once the gelatin is bloomed, Melt na natin to. Either pwede mo siya i-double boil or pwede mo siya i-microwave. So, microwave natin para the chocolate. Yan yung i-double boil na. Kasi magugulat si chocolate later if the cream is cold, tapos chocolate is hot. Magbuo-buo yan. Mix mo konti here si cream. And then, mix natin si bunch. By the way, do not over-whip your bunch or your cream or your Mona Lisa, okay? Huwag mo i-over-whip or else mahirapan ka mag-mix ng chocolate mixture mo. Soft pick is okay. Yan. I'm okay with it. Soft pick. Okay? Tapos, oops. Siya matanggal. Mix natin. Pita. Wash. Water lang ha. Hold until ma-mix siya ng gusto. Yan. Once na-incorporate na, we will get the cake. Actually, bake na si cake. Tapos, chinil ko na rin siya. And then, prepare your cake sa plate or any cake stand. And then, you put acetate. Okay? Like this. Put acetate. Tapos, let's do the mousse layer. The dark chocolate mousse layer. Okay? Please. Yan. Guys, make sure ha na mahigpit yung pagkakatape nyo sa acetate. You call this one cake color or acetate, dessert acetate. Okay, make sure na mahigpit. And then, we will chill this one for about 15 minutes. Kailangan hindi siya totally dry, okay? So, later I'll show you kung ano yung perfect na pagkaset niya. So, while nagpapaset tayo sa dark chocolate layer, let's go to the white. So, let's melt the white chocolate. Let's melt the gelatin with cold water, and then we will whip later the cream. Microwave. So, once the chocolate is melted, turn off natin, and then let's add the gelatin, kagaya kanina. Okay. So, again, let's whip the cream. Sorry. Tara ka konti para here. Then, again, fold. Okay. The Barrel's white chocolate, guys, is really may pagka-yellowish siya. But don't worry, the taste is so good, not too sweet. Okay. And then, if you see, set na si dark chocolate mousse layer ko. Huwag mo i-set masyado or else magse-separate siya later the moment you slice. So, kailangan try to check na medyo basa pa konti. Yan. But not totally wet ha. So, guys, after 20 minutes, set na rin si white chocolate. Yes, it's set already. So, for the top, let's decorate first before natin tanggalin si acetate. I have here ready-made na ganache. It's actually Barrel's blend. I'm using Barrel's blend. And then, piping bag. Tapos, cut mo lang yung tip. And then, decorate. Yung design, tawag ng design, wala lang. Gulo-gulo. Okay. Again before removing the acetate. And then after that, you can sprinkle some chocolate chips. I'm using Barrel's chocolate chips. They have two sizes of their chocolate chips. My 8 and 4 I think mas bigger yung 4 na count. There you go. And then, let's remove the acetate. Don't worry, kung isi-serve mo to, it will last for 6 hours. Hindi yan matutunaw because of the gelatin. Okay. Dahan-dahan. If you think kulang mo yung set, balik mo sa chiller and then paset mo again. Okay? But I think this is good. Then, sana nag-set, set. you go. Let's clean the side first. And then, we're done. There you go, your chocolate mousse cake recipe. Very easy to make. By the way, I want to thank Burials or the Global Pacific sa pag-sponsor ng ingredients. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!